You've been down this road for far too long. He left your love behind, but still you keep on crawling back, despite the pain inside. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and you'll see the way I...
Hi everyone, so I'm super excited. We're going to see venues today with the man of the hour, my fiance. It's so surreal to say that. I'm still get butterflies every single time. But we're on our way to Bourne Mansion. We have an appointment at 9:30. It's about 8:50. We're like almost 2 hours away, so we've been in the car quite a while. But we're super excited. We're hoping that we get to pick our venue today. Due to everyone booking for this year, we're trying to get next year September. So fingers crossed. We have Estate of Florentin Gardens later at 2 o'clock. So it's going to be a busy day. But we're so excited to see in the venue. I'm going to have my little photographer take video and photos of the place inside, the grounds. Both of the places are beautiful. So we're so excited. So we're just pulling up to the Bourne Mansion. It is so beautiful. I can't believe how beautiful it is. We're here, we're pulling in. It's like never-ending trees. Look how beautiful. Oh my God, it still doesn't feel real that we're engaged, and I cannot believe we're shopping for venues today.
This place is...
Oh my God, it's like never ending. We literally have been driving for 2 minutes in this garden. Oh my God. And da-da-da-da! We are here. Oh my God, this is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to show you guys the inside.
You've been down this road for far too long. He left your love behind, but still you keep on crawling back, despite the pain inside. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and you'll see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be...
Okay, so we just finished with the Bourne Mansion. First impressions, what do you think?
It was nice. It was nice. It was the architecture was beautiful. You know, it looked like a 1899 mansion, which is what it is, and the grounds are beautiful. So, you know, we're going to see the next place. I'm very excited about that.
Very different look.
Very different. They just redid the main ballroom, and the biggest thing to me is that we're gonna be the only wedding, which is the biggest thing for you, because I know that's what you wanted.
Yes.
And I'm excited.
Yes, we're super excited. This was beautiful. It's an estate and the grounds are just absolutely stunning. We really want an outdoor ceremony and have the views. My fiance, I love saying that, he's a photographer, video producer, so he's done his fair share of weddings, so he knows what's good, what's not, and the grounds is definitely a must for us because we really want to have those beautiful pictures to look back on. So we're really excited about the next one. The one we're leaving right now, the Bourne Mansion, it's more of like that vintage, old soul kind of vibe, estate mansion, beautiful. And now we're going to basically like a garden. It's just flowers everywhere, and I love flowers, so who doesn't? So we're gonna take you to the next one, and I can't wait to show you. So, we're on our next venue shopping. We're going to the Estate of Florentin Garden, like I mentioned before. So I just wanted to show you guys a video of us approaching the place because we want that effect, you know, see if we love it, if we get excited before we even walk into the place. So we're super excited. Steve's excited.
Oh yeah.
Have to make a pit stop though. We have to go to the bathroom. We've been in this car for like hours. But can't wait to show you guys this one. Okay, so we're pulling up to the next stop. And we just passed it. So, U-turn! So pretty. Look at all these flowers. Ah!
He broke you down with no remorse. Now who will heal the bruise? The one you want in your heart, standing right in front of you. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is.
So we just left Florentin, the Estate of Florentin Gardens. Oh my God, that's all I can say. Steve?
It's amazing. It's amazing. It's beautiful.
We're absolutely speechless. I think we found our place where I didn't want to say that yet, but we're super excited. It's absolutely stunning. It's everything we want and more. It's absolutely gorgeous, and we literally just felt it right as soon as we walked in.
'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes